Matt, the mortgage guy here. Mortgage Mondays, episode 26, where I'm talking mortgage insurance. Matt, the mortgage guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 26, where I'm talking mortgage insurance. And I want to make this video just to cover a few basics on mortgage insurance. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out. But mortgage insurance is something you are going to pay if you put less than 20% down on a mortgage. Now, there may be some products out there like the VA, USDA loan where you don't pay mortgage insurance. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to talk about FHA and conventional loans and the differences between the two when it comes to mortgage insurance. So if you put less than 20% down on a mortgage, you're required to pay mortgage insurance. With FHA, they've got a set amount you pay monthly, and that premium is based on a factor of 0.85% per year. So on a $200,000 mortgage, that 0.85 is going to be $1,700 a year, $145 a month. That will show up on your mortgage payment. The lender collects this, in this case FHA, because with a less down payment, they're more exposed. They're at risk, higher risk of default since there's less skin in the game by the borrower. And so they are going to insure that risk, and they are going to get paid if you default. And private mortgage insurance, which you would hold on a conventional loan, is very similar to where based on how much risk they're taking, you're going to pay a mortgage insurance premium to, in the conventional case, a private mortgage insurance company. So with conventional mortgages, based on 5% down, 10% down, 15% down, and your credit score, that factor is going to change. It can be as low as 0.35% up to 1.25%. And so it's really scenario specific when it comes to a conventional loan on whether or not that is going to be better or worse than an FHA loan. And through talking with a lot of folks who've done 10% down conventionals and have great credit, this mortgage insurance premium can be very small, and it can be worthwhile to do 10% down versus 20% down. And in some cases, if you have less than stellar credit and you're putting 5% down, that factor on a conventional loan can be really high. So you might not want to believe everything you read that says FHA is better than conventional because of this, or conventional is better than FHA because of this. Because the fact of the matter is, everyone's scenario is independent, and it'll be different. Case in point, last week I was talking to somebody, and they were told that they should do 5% down conventional if they could. And when you looked at the 5% down conventional versus 3.5% down FHA, FHA was a much better loan for them. With less than stellar credit, the mortgage insurance on a conventional loan is going to be about $65 more per month than it would be on an FHA loan. And then on top of that, the FHA rate was almost 3/4 of a percentage point lower. So with that being said, mortgage insurance is something you pay when you put down less than 20%. It'll vary based on certain factors. For a conventional loan, it'll always be 0.85% on an FHA loan. That's subject to change, as FHA does from time to time. But any questions about your specific scenario, please feel free to reach out. Matt, the mortgage guy, looking forward to your call. 9,498 steps so far today. Dominating the Fitbit. Just saying.